long days gap. Yes, there was some personal reason. I was busy in some work. That's why I was not able to upload video. So yes, today I'm making video or doing video on the topic that is shadowing. Do you know that what is mean by shadowing? Yes, you will. I think you all watch that. Means what is mean by shadowing? You all are aware about that. Yes. So if you are not aware that, then just listen to me at last until the last, so that you will get clarity about what is the shadowing real meaning. Like that, what we can say shadowing means if just we can take the example of one company. Okay, in any company there is one lead, and on that lead there is one junior, means senior and junior. What junior did all the things what the senior did, means they just saw all the thing, and they just do by seeing all the things whatever the senior person will do. Like that, that is the meaning of shadowing, means to follow someone else. Yes. Now if you want to learn English and if you want to become fluent in English, then yes, shadowing is the main part. Yes. Like that, now I am talking. If you follow me same, whatever I am talking, just try to talk in the same way, in the same fluency, in the same pronunciation, in the same sound. Yes. If you talk in the same way, yes, we can say shadowing like the mimicry. Yes, means the same voice, same sound, same pronunciation. Yes, like that we can say shadowing is just like that. If you want to become fluent in English, then shadowing is also very much important, and you can do shadowing just 10 minutes. Yes. First, just take any podcast, any video, any English video. Just listen that. By listening that, you will analyze that what you are gaining in you. Just listen that for a while. After that, just that in that podcast or any video, if that person is saying some words, then just only repeat that word same, in the same way how that person repeated. Okay, just repeat that. After that, in, in that you are doing both the practice, means yes, your listening practice is also going on and you are also doing shadowing, means how we can pronounce that word. If we don't know how to pronounce any word, then how we can talk. Yes, like that, shadowing is very much important. So there is three parts. If you want to become fluent, or if you want to become confident in English, then yes, there is three things we have to do. First is just take any podcast, any video, and just try to watch that. After watching, just do the mimicry. Yes, we can say it that mimicry or shadowing, just say same words whatever the in that video that person saying. Okay, after that, just take any mirror, or you can take your mobile phone. Just take that and just try to talk whatever you are gaining in your video. Just try to talk by yourself in front of mirror. If you try daily someday same like that, then yes, you will feel little bit confident in you that yes, you are talking in English. So from my starting video, I am regularly saying that don't focus on grammar now, because you are a beginner, and at beginner stage no one is all that, what we can say, Sarvagun Sampurna. Yes, no one is Sarvagun Sampurna. So if you want to become Sarvagun Sampurna, then yes, It is possible, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible, but it just matters, or it just done only by consistency, practice. Because English is not just about intelligence, it's just about practice regularly, daily, and slowly it becomes more. And one day we feel that yes, now I'm talking in English, and you can't believe that. Yes, so yes, that is the three thing. Do regularly every day so that you will also talk in English very smoothly. Because at starting, if you start and if you are trying to speak in English, then yes, you you think that yes, I want to speak and I want to complete that word fastly, because we are in a very fast way that I want to complete that sentence. But after you got some confidence, then yes, you can talk in a very familiar way, means anyway in a slow way, and you will enjoy while talking. Yes, so that is that I want to say, that these three things, three important things, do regularly so that you can improve your English. Just start today or tomorrow, it's your wish. So if you don't want to start from today, then just start from tomorrow morning. If you start anything in morning, then yes, it's a very good starting. Start from morning and just try to do shadow. First main thing is podcast. Watch that podcast. After that, just try to mimic it. Pronounce in the same way, sound in the same way, and just practice it. After that, just take your mobile or just mirror, in front of mirror, just stand and try to talk by yourself. Yes, just try. What happened? We will see that what happened after if you try. Just take one step forward in your life and just start, and you will get some confidence within you, and you will realize that yes, now you are speaking English, and that miracle will happen. And yes, that's it for today. I want to say about shadowing. Shadowing means just a mimicry. Yes, so start doing shadowing regularly, and also gain, and also start talking regularly. Don't talk much more, just 10 minutes in a day is a very big thing. Yes, so yes guys, thank you and bye bye. We will meet in our next video. Okay, so yes, bye bye. Have a nice day.